Good morning, students. Now, all of you see page number 36. I am reading about masjid. A mosque is called a masjid in Arabic, literally a place where a Muslim prostrate in reverence to Allah. Here, prostrate means face down. So, we, Muslim people, means we, a place where we worship, pray to our Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In reverence means showing respect to Allah. So this place is called a mosque, as well as we can say a masjid. In see this line, in congregational mosque. Now you see this word, congregational mosque. Means congregational mosque means what? A gathering place, a place of worship. Especially we can say the Masjid Jami or Jama Masjid. So special pray, especially the pray on Friday, Jama Masjid. So such mosque, important mosque. So congregational mosque means important mosque. Muslim read their prayers, namaz. We read our prayers, means we can say the worship our Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala together. So this place, especially on Friday, so such place of worship, it is called congregational mosque. We can say the Masjid Jami or Jama Masjid. Members of congregational choose the most respected learned male as their leader imam. So the gathering people, the Muslim people who gathered there to pray namaz, we can say. So they select their leader, we can say the imam. Here imam word. Now how is imam? So imam should be learned male. So they choose the most respected as well as the most learned male as their leader, as their imam, for the rituals of prayer, for the completing the our prayers, which is done by our imam. He also delivers the sermon. Here sermon means we can say the moral address. So our imam, on especially on Friday, so he delivers the, we can say the sermon, we can say the khutbah during the Friday prayer. During prayer, Muslims stand facing Makkah. Now so during the namaz at that time we face to Makkah, means exact where in India this is to the west, towards the west direction in our country. Why? Because there is a Makkah. This is called the Qibla. So you all of you understood here easily, because this is our topic. Now students, see this page. The Delhi Sultans built several mosques in cities all over the subcontinent. Now Hindu rulers also, they built huge temples because they wanted to demonstrate their power, how they were superior. So like this, Delhi Sultans also built several mosques in cities all over the subcontinent. These are demonstrated because they wanted to show their power. Their claims to be protectors of Islam and Muslim, because they wanted to show what they were, the protectors of Islam as well as the Muslims. So they built so many, we can say the mosques. Mosques also help to create the sense of community of believers. Now a place where all Muslim people they gather, so sense of community also develop at that place, who shared a belief system and code of conduct. Now because of the gathering at the same place, where at we can say the masjid and mosque, so the the people all they easily can share their belief, as well as they can follow the code of conduct also same. It was the necessary to reinforce. Here reinforce means to make powerful this idea of community, because Muslims came from variety of backgrounds. So Muslims, they came from the out of our country, Delhi Sultan, etc. So they wanted to set up, establish their we can say the ideas and their beliefs. So the so many sultans, they built mosque as well as the masjid in our country. Now here you can see the various pictures. So first of all, you will see this picture. This one is the we can see the figure number 2. Try to understand and listen carefully. Quwat al Islam Mosque. Now you can see the minaret here. This is the minaret. You can see. We can see the minar. One of these the Qutub Minar. Here you can read yourself this information. Now another mosque here. This one, Begumpuri Mosque, built in the reign of the Muhammad Tughlaq. Now another mosque you can see here. This one, figure number 4, Mosque Masjid, built in the reign of the Sikandar Lodi by his minister. Now this one also you can see, Mosque of Jamali Kamali, built in the late 1520s. Now students, next paragraph we'll read in next clip.